This is Kellen with the Mountains of Sound. We're out here in Tacoma. Just going to show you guys something kind of minor here, but important. So just going up to this downspout here, you can see water's just going to be falling right here next to the foundation. So the best thing to do, something easy, cheap, just get those little splash blocks that come out, plastic, stone, and it makes the water just kind of travel away from the foundation in the home there. So something really minor, but something that is important, just because you want to keep any rainwater, any moisture away from the foundation, out of the crawl space. So you can see it's just missing one. Everywhere else on all the downspouts here, they do have the splash blocks, like this one here, and then around the corner over here they have them as well. So something cheap and easy, but something that's also important. Again, this is Kellen with Mountains of Sound, and thanks for watching.